Good morning. It's time to do some math. Do you know what I have today to work with? I have a dot cube. It's like a dice. You probably have one of these at home if you've played a game or two. And what we're going to do is we're going to practice math with a dot cube today, or a dice. You could call it a dice too, that's fine. My dot cube dice has different dots on each side. Do you see how it has 2 dots on this side? 1 dot on this side. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on this side. Oh my goodness, look at all those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots on this side. And then on the end, it has 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. What's important when we're using our dot cube, our dice, is that we practice how we roll it. So I'm going to hold it in my hand, and I'm going to shake it a little bit, but I'm going to be careful that it doesn't go out. I'm going to shake it a little bit, and then I'm just going to drop it. We don't want to throw it, and we don't want to shake it and have it go all over the place. We just want to shake it a little bit and then drop it. Okay? So just practice that a couple times. I got a 1. I got a 5. I got a 3. I got a 6. I got another 6. So I'm just dropping it right in front of me. So that's our first thing that we're going to practice, is just shaking a little bit, dropping it right in front of us. See if you can do that about 5 or 6 times. See what number you got, how many dots are on it. And then I'm going to set it down, and I'm going to get my 5 frame. Hopefully you kept your 5 frame that we used last week. And so I'm going to put it, see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots in my 5 frame. I'm going to lay that in front of me. And then I have 5 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my dice, my dot cube. I got a 2. So I'm going to take 1, 2 bears and put on my 5 frame. So then I'm going to use my pointer and count. 1, 2. I got to check to make sure I put the same amount of bears in my 5 frame that I rolled. And I do. I have 2 dots and I have 1, 2 bears. They match. Awesome. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take my dot cube. Shake, shake, shake. I got a 3. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3 bears. Then I'm going to check. I got a 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to check my bears with my pointer. 1, 2, 3 bears and my 5 frame. I'm going to take them off. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, I got another 2. 1, 2. Check. 2 dots. 1, 2 bears. Now I didn't tell you, but my frame only has 5 squares, remember? So if I roll a 6, that's going to be like a roll again. Okay? So we're just going to roll our dot cube. I got a 4 this time. And then we're just going to practice putting that many bears and counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots, it matches. So you could do that about 5 or 10 times. And that's good practice. Remember, if you roll a 6, that's the biggest one. Just roll again, because we only have 5 spots in our 5 frame. If you would happen to not have bears at home, you could probably use a puffball. I've seen somebody do that. I think Aiden had puffballs. You could use Play-Doh balls. You could use a little eraser if you had erasers. Or you could use maybe even cereal. Like we have Circle cereal at home. Fruit Loops. You could put Fruit Loops on there. That would work. All right. So happy rolling and practicing. I'll see you later.